In this tutorial, we are going to go ahead with media elements. In previous tutorial, we made content sharing like website, which is very popular nowadays. We will do similar one in this tutorial, but this will contain GIFs, videos and audios, so we can have stronger contents. I have created a media folder here on my desktop, and I have here two videos, one wave audio, one JPEG image and one GIF image. Right, I'll add this folder to my main folder, into my website folder. So in my website folder, I have index.html and media elements. So media folder here. Let's go back to our editor and let's start to our content. So my content is gonna have a big title which says what is my content about. So let's have some space here. I'll open h1 tag and I'll paste my content here. So my content is about 5 things only web developers can understand. Between the main title and the contents, I want to have a white space, which is br tag. You can leave br tag like this, or you can add /. It doesn't really matter. So I'll add one hr tag for having one line between the main title and the contents. My each content is gonna have a header, media itself, a paragraph for explaining the source of my content, right? So let's open one. Let's start with an h2 tag here. So my first content's header, and my first content is going to include an image. So img, I will declare the source, the path of my image here. To do that, I will add my main folder to my text editor like this to see the path of my image and the name of my image. So my image's name is fellows.jpg, right? The source of my first content is media / fellows.jpg. And as an attribute, I'm going to go ahead and I'll give this 600 pixels. Let's save it and see in the browser. Okay, this is what is my content about: h1 element, h2 element, and my image. And my image is 600 pixels width. All right, so let's go ahead and keep styling a little bit more of our content. I will have an explanation paragraph here to explain where I had these images from. In this case, it's reddit.com, and I want this paragraph to be italic or emphasis in italic for tags for italic, and let's save it and see in the browser if it is okay. Yes, it's working perfectly. So we are going to have four more contents which are similar to this one, with an header, with media itself, and explanation paragraph. Okay, let's do it. Now, the second, let's have a space here. My second content is going to be a GIF element. First, let's have its header. Now let's add the GIF image. It's an image too, so it's going to be in img tag. The source is media again, /OOOGIF, which is written here, and you can see my medias here as well. So let's go ahead and give a width to this guy again, 600 pixels. Oops, 600 pixels. Let's save it and see in the browser. Okay, I have my GIF folder here too, right? So I have added, and now it's time to add its explanation paragraph here. I copy and I paste here, and now let's see how to add a video. First, I will add its header. When you want to add a video, you just go ahead and open video tag here, but video tag comes with closing tag at the end. It's because we are going to add source code here. Actually, source attribute. Let's go ahead and add it. So I open my tag and I say source, and it comes with src property here. Let's go ahead and write its path. It's media / the name of video, awesome woman.mp4. The type is video / mp4. Let's save it and see in the browser. Let's refresh it. Okay, I have my video here, but I cannot play it. It's because we didn't declare any player to my video, like play pause button or sound or full screen or some similar controls. To add it, let's go to our editor and let's come over here and say controls. So when you write this code here and you save it and see in the browser, now you can have players here. So I click the play and I can see my video here. For the sound, and the full screen. Okay, I can add video. Now it's time to add width and height property, just like in the images, right? So let's go ahead and add some width and height property. Actually, I'm gonna add width property only here because I want my browser to scale it automatically. So in this case, I'm gonna have it 600 pixels and I'll save it and see in the browser now. Yes, it's bigger right now. If I have given it to height, just like in the images, it might break the scale of my video. So I won't do this. I'll be aware of giving a height to my video. Now let's go ahead and add another content here with h2 tag, and my another content is going to be a video again. I'll open a video tag here. I open in between. I go ahead and I say source and I say media / name of my video right now. It's about babies .mp4 and the type is video / mp4, just like this one, the same, there's no differences. I'll add controls here, and I'll give a width property here, which is 600 pixels. Save it, and I'll add explanation here to my both videos. Reddit.com. Let's save it and see in the browser now. Okay, I have another video here, the same one. Babies are like drunk people. I see no difference. Okay, now let's go ahead and add our fifth content here, h2 tag. Now I'll add an audio here. First, let's go ahead and add its header here. Okay, audio elements are working the same with video elements. So opening tag of audio, and in between I'll come over here and say source, and my source is media / duct dot wav Dutch wave element. This is an wave audio. Now I will come over here as a type. I will say audio / wav, right? So let's save it and see in the browser now. We can't. Actually, my voice is here somewhere. The reason that I can't see is that I didn't add controllers here, just like this one. And let's go to my let's go to editor and add controls here. Okay, so I will say controls. If you guys are using Sublime Text and enter this property, it's going to come like this, but don't use it. You just write it here, audio controls, right? So let's save it in C in the browser. Okay, I have it, but it's just a 1 second voice, 1 second long voice, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. But it's working. I mean, I can hear the voice. All right, it's working. So you can go ahead and you can add your own voices, even MP3 musics. To do that, you should just come over here and you should say its extension is MP3. But if it is MP3 video, MP3 voice, in my case, it's WAV file. It's not MP3. If you want to add a song or something like this, you just come over here and write mp3 here and also mp3 here and save it in C in your browser, but in my case they will be WAV elements. In the next tutorial we will learn how to add external videos from YouTube and similar websites. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial.